All right, we got some good news. A nearby shop is willing to take a look at the 240, but it's supposed to snow tomorrow, so I'll need to get the 240 there overnight. But that also means I'll need to get Fran's 240 into storage for winter. God damn. All right, so I'm heading to a good friend Stevie's house. He has my right-hand drive Integra. He's been nice enough to store it during the summer since I don't have enough room for it at my place now. And he's gonna store Fran's car for the winter. So, unfortunately the driver's side, technically, axle went out. So we're gonna have to replace that when I get there. Stock exhaust. It's so quiet in here, it's insane. Especially for a 240sx. Oh my gosh. But it's only at 7 psi right now, or 8, I don't know. But let me just put this clip in here. When it was at 20 psi, it sounded insane. Alright, so we just got to Stevie's. Let's get to work on this axle.
We have an addiction of buying wheels all over.
This man's balling out. Oh my gosh.
I have so many wheels.
Oh, my old trunk. I forgot about this.
Yes. Yes.
Damn.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is what happened to the axle. Sheared right off. Very smooth. And it's about to happen again if we take a closer look over there.
You said it kept like loosening by itself?
Yeah, dude. Literally. I just drive 8 minutes to work and it loosens.
How's the radio signal been?
Oh, radio signal, solid. You can get a solid 0 channels. Let's see how long it takes for us to change an axle. Start the timer.
6:54. $7:08.
Thank you for stopping by Stevie B's Customs. We appreciate you picking up your car. You left it here about a long time ago. I don't know.
Yeah, how many months have you had it?
Enough to put like 3 or 4 oil changes on it. Yo, thank you a million. That right there is not a KA24.
It's a KA 3.5, is it? Sweet.
Yellow.
So something I noticed is that one of the headlights is out. So I'm gonna do a quick electrical test to see if there is power still getting to that headlight. because these are the JDM Type R HID headlights. I'm not sure if I can get another ballast for it or even a replacement bulb. I'll have to look into that. All right, so I've unplugged the ballast. Gotta hold these like chopsticks with one hand. Okay, so with those two connected, we are showing 0 volts, which tells me that most likely the fuse is blown. We are not getting power to this connector. Here's the fuse for the headlight, and it has the smallest break. The next few clips will be CGI, so it's not really real. I came to visit my girlfriend at work since she's closing tonight. So she's gonna follow me the rest of the way to the shop once she's off. That way I have a ride back. But now for some chips and salsa. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Drop the car off.
Is 3:07 in the morning.
And it's bedtime. So I just got to Elmark's and pull the car around back. All right, now we're gonna meet Elmark.
Hey, how you doing?
How's it going,
All
Elmark?
right. How you doing?
Good.
Okay.
Are we gonna start working on the car?
And have fun on it, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, go take a look at your car.
Alrighty. Now we can bring it in and set it up on the frame rack, and we'll have Elmark assess the damages and see if it's even worth fixing. So I just grabbed the battery out of my Integra to throw in the 240 since I only have one battery. I know I'm struggling to carry this battery. I'm not gonna like strap it down and everything. It's just, we're just trying to pull it inside. "29 degrees outside." Ah, she does not like a cold start. What do you think?
I mean, turn it to a what? We gotta turn it to a Cadillac. Wow. So you put everything, computers and everything in this thing?
Everything.
When you change the engine? This is from what engine?
Skyline.
Oh, the Skyline.
Yeah.
Pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Isn't that crazy?
Yeah, it is. Look at that. So you change these?
Yeah.
Those?
Mm-hmm.
No. You made it? Or?
Yeah, this is a trailer fender.
Oh, see, when you're doing those kind of things, well, it's over there now. I like to put a lot of room.
Well, I needed more clearance for drifting.
wheels?
Yeah.
Oh, to turn.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's why I made them bigger.
Yeah.
And there's no fuse boxes either in here.
Where's the fuse box?
I put it on the inside.
Put all the wires back there.
Yeah. This is the only wires in the engine bay.
Yeah. Everything works, right?
Yeah, works perfect.
How much did you pay for that engine?
I think it was like 3,000 at the time.
Really?
Yeah, that was a few years ago. I don't think they sell for that much anymore.
No, they don't so much.
So we're just gonna take the bumper off really quick. Just because we don't want to drag it onto the frame machine. It's actually my coolant overflow. No blow off valve. All right, so we're gonna need to get some wood for clearance.
So. Zing, zing. Yeah, they got it.
So just start cutting.
Yeah, got it. Well, first, try to take it out well, you can.
All right, very first thing we are gonna do is try and get this door off. That way we can better assess the damage that's going on underneath it. Well, I forgot my impact today, so I guess we will do this manually. I think the car is excited to get worked on because it keeps chiming. Jackpot. I'm sorry, I'm having too much fun with this.
All you gotta do is just put this thing down. I'm still here. I'm going for you here. Okay. Okay. Put it more.
Wow, it's crazy to see how far into the seat it got.
Yeah.
It's just stuck on the latch.
The latch.
Dang.
Okay, let it go.
Let it go. Could we cut it?
No, because I want to
Oh,
pull
you
it
wanna
with
pull
this
that?
thing. Yeah. With
Okay.
the whole thing. We're gonna put it more. Yeah, a little more. Yeah. Okay. There we go. Wow.
Wow, it even took off the B pillar.
Yeah. Okay. Oh. Wow. Now you can cut it.
Now we can cut it?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, you got it.
That's strong. It's a pretty strong joint.
Well, of course, yeah, that's got to be strong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's one piece of the puzzle.
One piece, and next piece is what? The quarter.
Yeah? Quarter next?
No, and then.
I guess it just needed a door. If you guys are willing to support the build, I have a couple shirts and a hoodie for sale. I'll leave the link in the description. I appreciate all the support. You guys are awesome. Literally, the only thing on my mind is progress. So as long as we keep grinding, I know we'll get there. All right, now that the door is off, we're gonna get the seat out. Alright, so right now I'm in the process of taking apart the interior just to kind of get it as close to bare metal as possible. I'll have to try and remove a lot of these wiring harnesses. That will be fun. Perks of having no windshield. Oh man. Not bad for the first day of working on the car. It's definitely in rough shape. I feel like as long as I stay like making progress every day, I feel like that will keep me motivated. So I guess just stay on the grind and you'll get stuff done. Simple as that. Now we gotta put this battery back in here. Into my Type R. It's not a Type R.